Hey guys, Jared Wesley here of Live Traders, and I'm going to do something a little bit different from here on out. As you guys know, almost every week on usually Tuesday or Wednesday, I upload a new educational video, things that are meaningful and helpful to traders out there, things that aren't fluff, trying not to do what everybody else is doing, check out my car and check out this. And I'm trying to really give you guys 30 to 60 minute lectures on meaningful topics to help you guys become better traders, because not everybody has access to perhaps purchase professional trading strategies, or maybe you're just getting started and you're kind of still saving up your shekels, etc. and so forth. However, what I would also like to do, guys, is I think I'm going to start this year, this week, right now, adding one video a week also on a trade review, or maybe 2 or 3 trade review. I'm getting a lot of comments on YouTube and emails going, all those videos are great and all, Jared, but you never show live trading. And I try to tell these folks, come into the chat room. You can get a 30-day trial for $1 stinking, and you can watch me trade live every single day with my account number open, with my P&L, with my fills, etc. and so forth. So what I'm going to do, guys, henceforth is Tuesday, Wednesdays, I will continue to upload a roughly 45-minute to 1-hour quality educational video on some trading-related topic. But on Saturdays, I'm probably going to start uploading a trade review. I'm going to pick 1 or 2 trades from the previous week, and I'm going to review them, but not just review them. I'm going to show my live real-time fills, because I record myself every day in the chat room, guys. So before you even start thinking about, oh, great, Jared, you're going to just cherry pick all the winners. That's not the case. In fact, today's video, I'm going to talk about 2 trades that I took last week. They happen to be on the same day. One is a winner and one is a loser. Okay, they're both 3-bar plays, 1 winner and 1 loser. Please make comments below, guys, if you think this is something you'd like to see. Again, this is not going to replace the Wednesday video. It's just in addition to the Wednesday video, where I will take between 1 and 3 trades and I will review them for you. They won't all be winners. They won't all be losers. And I will also show you my real-time fills from the chat room. I'll show you the order number, the originator number, the account number, all that other stuff, so it's undeniable. But please make comments below and let me know if it's something you guys are really interested in. These videos will be shorter, probably 15 to 20 minutes, like most of you like. But again, in addition to the Wednesday lecture. So please comment below and let me know if it's something you want me to continue doing. So this week's video, guys, is going to be on CRWD and SDC. Both of them were 3-bar plays. One on CRWD wasn't quite a perfect traditional 3-bar play, but it was pretty close because it had a shakeout. One of the trades I made over $1,000 on, and the other trade I think I lost like $400 on. So I netted $500 or $600 that day. You'll see that in the video. What's also nice is I will show you my pre-market routine. So every morning, guys, at 9 a.m., I come onto the mic and I go over my gap list with our chat room. Okay, there's usually about anywhere between 5 to 15 stocks on that gap list, and I review it. So I recorded that so you guys can listen to my review of CRWD and my review of SDC well before the market ever opened. And you can also see what I do and how I create some of my favorite ideas. And then I translate those favorite ideas into actual trades after the market opens. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's a trade review. It won't be that long. 1 trade on CRWD, 1 trade on SDC. And guys, don't forget, you can get a $1 stinking 30-day trial to the Live Traders chat room. Go to the website, check it out. I'll put the link above as well, so you can just click on the icon also. Okay, everything's automated, so it's a lot easier now. Jared Wesley of Live Traders, enjoy the video. Okay, guys, here is the 3-bar play on the 2-minute. Now, I'm bringing up these slides, and right after I'm finished with the slides, you'll get to see the live trading, including my pre-market routine, okay? But the first slide is on SDC, and I have what I call an 84% rule, and that basically means if I take a full stop out on something, I can get back in at the regular original entry price, and 84% of the time it actually works. So in this case, we had a beautiful wide range bar followed by a narrow range bar, and it didn't pop very well. And you'll see in the video me talking about not liking this break here, and that I think it would stop, and it ultimately did stop me out. But had I gotten back in right here at the original entry, you can see this trade would have worked. Ultimately, I ended up losing, I think, $500 or $600 on this. It was a really good textbook play. It just didn't work out the way that I wanted it to, but I perhaps should have gotten back in. Now, on to the CRWD. You can see this one was also a 3-bar play. I blew it up a little bit here. Wide range bar, narrow range bar, and then blast off. Now, in this case, the shakeout happened before we got into the trade, whereas with SDC, the shakeout happened after we got in, which is why I should have gotten back in. Now, with this, you can see wide range bar, narrow range bar, and rip. We got it at $52. Why 52? Well, one, it was a 5-minute 3-bar play, but also because it was breaking this resistance area, which was a pivot, which was $52. And you'll see that. And guys, all these things you'll see on my pre-market charts. You'll see on my scanning page. And right in here in about 10 seconds, you're going to see the live trade feed from this. So this, I'm just explaining the charts before we get into the live trading. Ultimately, I made $1,025 on this, and you can see my call in the room, and it was also on my favorites list. So enjoy the video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I have a pretty good sized gap list today, a little bit bigger than I was expecting. When I saw a reasonable gap down today, a pretty decent sized gap down, I didn't think I would have this many stocks on the long list. So I'm a little surprised by that, but pleasantly surprised by that. And then the short list as well. So it's kind of a big list. We'll get through it here in a second. For those of you that are new, that might just be joining us, a couple words of advice for you guys. One, this is a tough business. One of the hardest things you'll ever try. Don't come in and think you're just going to copy your way to success. Oh, these guys know what they're doing. I'll just copy their trades and I'll make a gazillion dollars. It doesn't work that way. So just sit back, relax, simulator trade. Only take trades that you understand. If it's not in your trading plan, then don't take it. I know that most of you won't heed that advice, but that's also why a vast majority of people in this business struggle so much. So that's good advice. You just have to listen to it. All right. So without further ado, let's dig in, guys. On the list is CRWD. CRWD. I think this is poised, guys. Yes, Friday, again, it gapped down and bullied that gap. I mean, it had a monster move from like 48.75 to $52, and then it pulled back. Now it's gapping up again. So I think, personally, it's going to make a similar move as it did on Friday. Okay, and earlier when I put this on a list, it was at 51.80, I think. So now it's moved up about 40 cents, which I don't like. I was hoping it would hold the $52 area, but it didn't. You can see on the daily, it's a bit of a double, triple bottom. It has room back to $60. There's a double top at 60, so be mindful of that. But it does have room to go higher. It's got 223,000 shares. It does range. It'll do $2, $3 days. Volume on it's really, really good, 5-10 million shares a day. So I like it a lot, but I do think it's going to be a morning runner. I think this thing runs in the first, I don't know, 30 minutes, an hour, and then it starts to chop around and not do much. Very, very similar to Friday. See Friday on the 15-minute, guys? It ripped for 45 minutes, and then it did nothing. I think that is likely what's going to happen again today, all right? But I likely won't trade this today. We'll have to wait and see. Next, SDC. SDC. Could be one of the best gaps of the day here at SDC, guys. The negative on SDC is that there's a pivot at $10, which is not a ton of room. Yes, it's a $9 stock, so having $1 or 90 cents, whatever you want to call it, is pretty good. But this stock, on a good day will do 75 cents. So, we'll see. We're right in the wheelhouse there. We have room to $10. The pre-market chart on this is really good. In fact, it might even make my favorites list in terms of the pre-market chart. Over $9.25. This thing is really nice. You can see it's gapping over this $8.80 to $9 area, which is, it's been in this range for what? 2-3 weeks? 3 weeks now it's been in this range. And now it has room back to the $10 mark. It's a double bottom right here, 845,000 shares. So I think this is something of high interest to me today. So we'll keep that on the list. Next, all right, favorites list. Let's build it. All right, SDC is going to be on my faves above 925. So let's put the caps SDC over 925. So there's the favorites list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When is the last time we had 6 ideas on the favorites list? It's been a while, right? Since we've had you know, what I would consider a quality gap list, a good 2 to 3 weeks. All right, guys, that is that. Got our list together. Battle station is ready. Pre-market up on this. And, well, Eric, the only thing I can tell you, buddy, is if you did your simulator trading properly on $10 risk and took things very easy, there shouldn't be a terrible transition. And secondarily, just chill, man. Relax. Guys, it's the start of the year. I'm not going to lecture you before the market even opens, but it's the start of the year. You have the whole entire year. If you miss a trade today, relax, okay? The market will be open tomorrow, the next day, the day after that. You guys get what I'm saying. We are here to make money. We are not here to trade, all right? Charts, stocks, that's the vehicle we use to make money. Some people use hammer and nails to make money. Some people sell flowers to make money. Some people drive cars to make money. We trade stocks to make money, all right? But the goal is to make money. So you don't have to take 17 trades in a day to do that, okay? Does that make sense? So chill, relax. If you miss something, sure, there'll be a few times you get frustrated here and there and you want to throw your cube. It happens to all of us. But quality over quantity, and trade your plan, really, properly. I know it's easier said than done. I get all that. But if you want to be good at this, you don't have a choice but to be disciplined. All right? We're going to open in less than a minute. Save your pages. Guys, also, real quick before the market opens, if you're new, those numbers in the favorites list, this does not mean blindly take those trades at those prices. I will repeat this very clearly. Those trades where it says SDC over 920, that does not mean just randomly take this at 925. You have to have a pattern to take this at 925. BA under 328, you have to have a pattern to take that. Okay? So you've been warned. All right? You've been forewarned. Okay? All right, market's open. Relax, guys. Woosah. Chill, man. There will be something to trade today. I'd be really surprised if we went through today and didn't take a trade. So just chill. We'll get something. Watch SDC and CRWD. SDC and CRWD. Keep an eye on them. All right? On the long side, keep an eye on them. They're holding up well here. CRWD over 52 is interesting, but again, no pattern yet. Shit, there goes SDC. Son of a bitch. Nice job if you got filled on it, guys. It was a really hard fill. Nice job on Unmall if you got filled on it. All right, nice job. Wow, well played on that. SDC is a 2-minute 3-bar play, guys. It would be a 25-cent stop. All right, guys, I'm going to try SDC 938 by 915, guys. SDC 938 by 915 long. All right. It's a little Unmall obvious has a way better entry. All right, guys. CRWD 52 by 5150. Why is this not taking? All right, here it is, guys. CRWD 52 by 5150. All right, I'm in SDC. Not a good break. Probably going to stop out on that break, guys. That's how bad that break is. I hope I'm wrong on that. I'd like to be wrong. All right, I'd like to be wrong. Unmall's going to be hitting target soon, and I'm just getting in it, which is never a good thing. I don't think this is going to work for where I'm at, guys. Normally, 3-bar plays like this pop a lot better than that. So I hope I'm wrong. I want to be wrong, but I'm a little concerned here that the pop on this wasn't very good. You know, we'll see what happens with it. Anyway, CRWD, guys. You can use 5160 if you want on your stop loss, because that's really the proper, appropriate stop. you know. All right, it didn't break properly. And now some of you are going, why don't you get out? Because my plan doesn't let me get out of those. So SDC is likely going to stop. CRWD is close to triggering, guys. CRWD is close to triggering. Okay, just as an FYI to those of you that might want to take it. 53 will be the target area. Very tempted to walk away on SDC. I just don't think this is going to work at this point, but could be wrong. You know, man, I am so tempted to walk away on SDC. I got to follow the rules, guys. Got to follow the rules. Can't break it on the first day of the year, right? CRWD is just hanging out. Okay, hasn't done its thing yet. Like I said, we need like 960-ish on this thing, but it's really struggling in this area. I think mainly because it's put in a pretty good move already. See all the topping tails it's leaving? That's not really a good sign, guys. All these topping tails here. So if I was a betting man, I'd say we're in trouble on this. CRWD, guys, cancel. All right, unless this thing comes right back up, I'll keep it open for now, just for another second, guys. All right. I like this bottoming tail. I'm still going to use 5150, but I like this bottoming tail, guys. So I'm going to keep CRWD valid. Yeah, I'm going to keep it valid, Matt. I'm keeping it valid, guys. I'm telling you right now, I'm keeping it valid. But I'm still using 5150 as the stop. All right, I'm keeping it valid and still using 5150 as the stop. All right, I think I've mentioned it enough times verbally that you get it. All right, in it, let's see what happens. 51.99. We can just get a little extension here, just a little bit like that, just a little bit more than that. See how whippy it is, guys? So we need the half number to take that, you know, that quarter off. Come on, one more pop, guys. One more pop on this. We can take a quarter off and go to break even. One more pop. Come on. One more. Don't stop at 44. All right, guys, stop, break even, stop, break even, okay? Target is 53, okay? So, out 1/4 CRWD at 52.50, stop to break even, target is 52.99. I say 53, but you guys know what I mean. SDC, how bad of slippage should I take on this? 4 cents is a lot on a 25 cent move. So out SDC. SDC stopped for me, guys. I told you guys it would stop, did I not? I just want to be clear. I'm pretty sure I said it was going to stop because it just didn't break right. We just get one more push here on CRWD. Would be fantastic. Shit. All right, guys, one more push here. Stop loss 52.25. We're at 90% of target. Stop loss 52.25. All right, if we get one more push. 52.25. She got it in her, guys? What do you think? Oh, there we go. Done. Out CRWD at target. Guys, just FYI, that was a 5-minute 3-bar play, but what was different is it had a shakeout. Normally, most people go, oh, it broke the stop loss, cancel it, right? And I said, wow, this is a really nice shakeout. See that 2-minute shake? Stay in it, right? Stay in it. So it's a 5-minute 3-bar play that had a shakeout, wide bar, narrow bar, and that's the resistance. So having the 3-bar play trigger at 52 is why we waited for 52, right? So, you know, this 1-minute shake is really nice. You have a kind of a flag here forming, and then a shakeout comes in. SDC, I took the slippage I thought I would take, and now it's all the way back up to my entry. So, you know, on one trade, we took advantage of the bottoming tail, and the other trade, the bottoming tail took advantage of us. Good news is net, you know, I'm not going to make a lot of money today, only about $400, but that's okay. Green is good. Just leave that mantra in your head. Green is good. To get more great educational content, subscribe to the Live Traders YouTube channel. This way you'll get email alerts every time I upload a new video.